Look at the very nice view. OMG. We cannot stop. It's summer. It's almost summer here in Bodrum. It's a little bit windy here. Yan. Giatay na. Ready na ang bikini, Jude. Yeah. Do you like to watch the wavy sea? Wow, OMG, it's really nice, right? I am excited. Summer is almost coming.
Well, what we like to do is jump in the waves.
I know. Yeah, that's Jasmine. You will fall down. Can you calm down?
Ben and me like to when it's wavy days.
I know that.
Jump in the waves like this.
Yeah, I know that. Look. I love the view. It's really nice. It's almost ready. Look at the view. OMG. OMG.